What's up guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and today we have something from Lenovo Legion, and it's a gaming laptop. So let's quickly check the specs. It's powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, which is a 3.0 GHz of speed together with the 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of SSD storage, GTX 1650 graphics. Display is a 15.6 FHD IPS LCD together with a 4-cell battery and a Windows 10 home single language. We have here the phantom black color. So of course we would love to open up this thing. So upon opening, you can see a lot of styros here and there. Yeah, makes it pop up just like this. It looks pretty nice. So we can see the laptop is packed with a sleeve, and you can see the Legion logo is there, and the Lenovo logo is over here. But before that, of course, we want to check what are the other stuff inside the box. So opening this up, we have a pretty nice mouse. It's a gaming mouse together with this Lenovo pack. Okay, so let's quickly open it. So you can see it's a RGB mouse, which is M300 gaming mouse from Lenovo. Okay, looks pretty nice though. So we have some setup guides over here. And of course, lastly is the charging brick. So right now we're about to open the laptop. We can see on top here are the different port that we have. Okay, so we have the adapter port, HDMI port, USB port, Type-C, USB port, and of course your LAN port. And these both are exhaust. And at the side, we also have a USB port together with a audio jack. Underneath, we can see the Legion logos here, and these are exhaust. And on the other side, we can see some LED indicators and another USB port. So opening it up, you can see that it's pretty much protected with another sleeve. So taking a look, so some stickers over here, RYZEN sticker, AMD Radeon sticker, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX sticker. So you have some QR code over here, and audio is powered by Harman Kardon. So you can see the layout of the keyboard is definitely nice. I love the way that it's designed, except that the numpad is a little bit cramped over here. So we have the power button on top and some shortcut over here wherein you can put your processor to the overclocking mode for you to play the games better. So I feel that the trackpad is a little bit small. Of course, I expect it to be a little bit bigger since I use the trackpad a lot. Okay, especially for gesture, it might not be suitable for me. So you can see the Legion logo over here. And the webcam is over here. So right now, let's quickly boot up the laptop by pressing the power button. So we can see how fast it boots up. Here's the Legion so it has boot up quite fast. So upon entering Windows 10, we can see that we are greeted by a Legion wallpaper, which is very nice, very cool to the eyes because it's simply color blue. Now, I'm one of the fans of Legion, and I know Legion makes some definitely good laptops. So you can see that we have a Windows 10 home single language and it's activated. So right now, pressing function Q, we can put it to overclocking mode. So this one is a silent mode, the blue one. Let's put it to the white one, which is auto mode. So we can also freely change the RGB lights here on this keyboard, which I think we cannot see it pretty clear since we have our lights on. Let's try to turn some of the lights off. So there, I guess you can see the color of the keyboard, which is RGB. So we can easily switch the lights, function spacebar. So this is steady blue, steady light blue. So we can turn it off, or we can put it to breathing mode. So yeah, this by default is probably the best option right now. You can see that this Lenovo Legion 5 15AR805 is definitely a very nice device, and yeah, together packed with this one, the Legion mouse, it makes it a lot easier, especially for gaming. And what I can really say is that I enjoy typing on this keyboard, and of course, though the numpad is a little bit cramped, but nevertheless, you can always opt for a separate numpad. Now, if you want to put your Lenovo Legion 5 to the full throttle, all you need to do again is to press function Q and wait for the red button to appear. It means you are now on overclocking mode. But of course, remember to plug in your adapter before you can do this mode. So that's it for my unboxing and quick initial first impression of the Lenovo Legion 5, which for me definitely is a nice laptop to have, especially when you're on the go and you love gaming on the go. This probably is one of the best options that you have on the market right now here in the Philippines. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I hope to see you on the next one.